All right, guys. Bill from BillsBoxBreaks.com doing break number 8. Case here of 2013 Crown. Let me drop that filler link. We got 3 left, and we're doing a big case of Vault. Got a nice 50-50. Top 2 spots will get the $120 hits. Bottom 6 will get the archives. All right, 2 boxes of Crown. What I was saying a second ago will be the first 2 boxes out of the case, fresh case. Yeah, it was a nice one. I think it's up at the shop. It is, actually. All right, we got Larry Fitzgerald. Hey, nice one. $2.99 All-Pro. Charles Woodson. Packers. And we got D. Milner, 99. Jamie Collins, Julio Jones. Klay Thompson on fire. 60 points in 3 quarters. Green Ellis. 125. Joseph Faria. Detroit. And next one, there's your Raven. Joe Flacco. Maletti. All right, we got Jennings, and we get an RPA of Michael for the Seahawks. Nice 4-color. Where's he at now? He got picked up by someone again, didn't he? Yeah, man, he went nuts. Pivotal RG3. Jones. Mike Wallace. Packers, that's where I saw him. Oh my God, I felt like I saw him in another jersey the other day. And Vincent Jackson. And Le'Veon Bell, rookie jersey. Heirs to the throne, nice card. Yeah, 25, Alex Smith. Ryan Griffin and Cap. Yeah, that little spurt. All right, next one. Alfred Morris. And we got Kenny Stills at a $2.99, Heirs to the Throne. Vault coming up after this. Dustin Hopkins at $2.99. Drew Brees. Yeah, I'll put a little I'll put that basketball on eBay. That sounds good. Matt Forte. The Bears at 25. Michael Ford. The Bears. Russell Wilson. Well, I got a case of Court Kings that'd be fun to do. Let me take a look. Start doing some little basketball on eBay, getting basketball guys in here. That'll be this year. Just released, was last Wednesday came out, or Friday. T.Y. Hilton. We got a redemption. Let's take a look. It's going to be the Buffalo Bills. Crown Royal Silhouettes Autographs, card number 231. Robert Woods for Buffalo. I can even grab a case and do a couple one-box random divisions or random teams. I'll bust a couple of those up. J.J. Watt. Is it the Honey Badger? Yeah, Tyrann Mathieu. I forgot he. Tyrann Mathieu, Charles Woodson. Jimmy Graham. And wow, nice patch here at Keenan Allen. Forgot about Keenan Allen in here. Nice 16 out of 49 Allen. Yeah, very nice. Let me know if that's up for trade if you got that one. Peterson, Short, and Gronk. All right, guys, appreciate you joining that one. I'll have another one of that tonight. Also got Phoenix. eBay coming up shortly, too.